So you've heard of cars and coffee. This is cars and cannabis. So this is my first time at Cars and Cannabis. Let's check it out. What's that?
I'll pass on cannabis.
Yeah. Well, that's what you used to do, though. You pass it around, huh? Got the back seat so you avoid the insurance. So a two-seater, the insurance was higher, so they would put a four-seater in the car, even though the back seats are worthless. So they avoid that. So the entrance fee is $25 for your car, and they're going to have vendors here, and then also they've got food, and then that's a movie theater, and they have 3 different movies showing. I'll have to go up and see which ones they are. But for your ticket price, you get to come in, enter your car. They're going to have giveaways. And then also movies. And I asked about the cannabis portion of it, and it's just a catchy name. We have cars and coffee, and in this case, cars and cannabis. So this just started, and it starts at 1 o'clock, and it's probably 12:45 on a Sunday. So just getting warmed up. How you doing? Real well. Got the snow tires on there. '61 Chevy Biscayne on the end. So this was the economy stripped down version that Chevy had as far as their Biscayne, Bel Air, Impala. And when you see these with Steelies and dog dish hubcaps, in my opinion, that is freaking awesome. And it's for sale. 573-692-4775. So I think I'm going to turn the camera off, wait till it gets a little bit more crowded. In the meantime, I'll see if I can do some interviews. So I'll pick up here in a little bit.